Hi everyone, welcome to Ella and James' YouTube channel. My name is Holly, and I'll be making videos for the next couple of days in place of Ella. Ella is about to become a mother, so she's taking some time off to focus on her new family. In this video, I'll show you how to create Christmas cards using AI and generate a lot of money during the holidays. So let's get started. To create Christmas printable card using AI, visit Kiddle.com. It's an online graphic design website similar to Canva that help you to create stunning designs. You have to create an account here to start working on this website. To do so, click here on Sign Up. You can create an account using Gmail ID, Facebook account, or simple filling these details. I have already created an account myself, so I will directly take you to the website dashboard. Now here, go to the side panel and select the option Image Generator. Image Generator is opened. You only receive 15 credits in the free version. You have to describe about your design, whatever you want. I want Santa doing magic with stick. I will select Kawaii style. Then generate. It has generated image for me. If you don't like the result, you can regenerate it. It has regenerated new image. I don't like any of these images, so I'll regenerate them. However, I will make little difference in the prompt. I'm going to make this Santa face. It has created a new image. This one appears to be good. Then, from here, export this image. After that, go to Canva. Now I'll make an artboard for a Christmas card. I'm going to use a 700 by 1000 pixel page size. Our Canva editor panel is now open. First, I'll give my document a name. After that, I'll upload the downloaded image. Select this image. As you can see, this image has a watermark and is not transparent. Therefore, we must get rid of them. To do so, navigate to Edit Image and then select Magic Grab. Delete the background. Now I'm going to add text to my design. I'll write Merry Christmas. These fonts don't look good, therefore let's change them. I'm going to change it to Amsterdam 3. I'm using handwritten font because this will foster communication and connection. Let's change the text's color to red. After that, let's incorporate some design elements into our card. I'll start by looking for a Christmas banner. It's so difficult to find the correct element. This one looks excellent, so let's include it. Now I'll add a Christmas tree at the bottom. None of these trees appeal to me. I'll look for a Christmas tree with snow. This one is good, so let's add it. I'll search for more Christmas elements to include in the card to make it more appealing. Let's add this light decor. I'll add a few more items because it still doesn't seem decent. I'm including all of the popular Christmas symbols into our card design. This time, I'll look for stars. This one appears nice. Let's also replace white the background, since it's not appealing. Now it appears great. I'll add a few more elements to this since the top portion still doesn't look good. I finished designing my Christmas card. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and comment, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.